This CENMASO Pixel 10 Pro Fold case feels purpose-built for the folding design, wrapping the hinge and corners in a rigid shell that makes the phone feel far less fragile in daily use. The integrated card compartment on the back comfortably holds everyday cards and a bit of cash, with radio frequency identification shielding that adds an extra layer of security when you are out and about. A low-profile stand is hidden in the rear panel, snapping out smoothly to hold the big inner display at several viewing angles for videos, calls, or reading without needing to prop the phone on something else. The automatic hinge cover moves with the fold, keeping dust and grit away from the mechanism while adding a cushioned barrier that helps protect against those inevitable bumps and short drops. CENMASO combines a hard outer shell with a built-in tempered glass screen protector and raised edges around the camera and display, so the phone is guarded from scratches and impact without feeling excessively bulky. The sliding camera cover and slightly textured coating give both privacy and a confident grip, making the phone easier to hold one-handed while keeping the lenses clean and protected.